Hello, today we will be continuing on with the car jack assembly. So in this assembly we will be working on item number 3 and 4. We got the hex bolt, the M12 by 1.75 hex bolt, and a nut. So 3 and 4. So let's zoom into 3 and 4 right here. These are 3 and 4s hidden on the other side. Okay, so we have done these already, and if you want to see these, they are in my playlist. Let me scroll down fast here. And today we will be working on P1-17. So this is an M12 bolt. So we will take the previous bolt, which was P1-15, and modify this one to make it P1-17. So let's get started. Alright, so this is P1-15. So this is P1-15. We will do a file save as. And then we'll change that to P1-17. Modeling M. Now here's our item. We need to make the head size. By the way, if you want to take a screenshot of this, by all means take a screenshot, or you can download this PDF from the link in my description. Alright, so first one is we're going to click on this sketch right here, double click, and we're going to change this 4.8, and this time they're going with a total of 19.2, so we'll do 19.2 divided by 2, okay? And we don't need an expression, we're okay. Escape and finish that sketch, okay? It's starting to break things, but we're going to fix this in a second, no problem. So next is the extrude. So we're going to take the extrude and we're going to go with 8.4 millimeter. Okay. Next we're going to go with the next one, which is this diameter here. This is going to change to M12. Escape, finish. There we are. Okay, so next is we want to extrude that 70 millimeters. Okay, it's okay. It's breaking. The symbolic thread is having an issue, so let's fix the symbolic thread. Let's click on this guy, and we're going to click here, M12 by 1.75, exactly what we want. We're going to change this to 24. Okay, and now we have now we can see this broke. For some reason it took it off the something else. Yeah, should be there. So maybe we can just link this up, center that with center this, and make it coincident. Finish sketch. Alright, so now we see there's an additional issue. So let's go with the sketch size. We need to change this overall size of this guy now because it grew quite a bit. So let's click on that guy. Click on this here. We're going to change it to like 25. Okay. And then hit escape. Finish out of there. The beginning size, let's double click on that sketch again. This size right here has changed from 9.6 to 19.2. Okay, escape, finish, and there's our bolt. So let's go to drafting. Let's hide this sketch, so we can click on that and we can go to hide. Let's go Control-Shift-D. We're out of date here. Let's go update views, update, okay. Let's check these dimensions, 19.2, 8.4, 70. This here, chamfer still there. M12 by 1.75, 24 deep, already updated. That's great. And 30. Perfect. We're done. That concludes our video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.